Alright, let's talk about one of the boldest moves in the Ukraine-Russia war so far. Ukraine's massive drone strikes on Russian airfields. On June 1st, 2025, Ukraine launched a coordinated attack on 5 different Russian airfields, stretching from Murmansk in the north all the way to Amur, near the Pacific. That's across almost the entire width of Russia. According to Ukrainian media, this was a major operation called Spiderweb, led by Ukraine's security service, the SBU. And get this, the planning took over a year and a half. Now, how did they do it? We're not talking about just a few drones here. President Zelensky himself said they used 117 drones, mostly these kamikaze FPV drones. Some were secretly launched from trucks parked just outside the airfields. Imagine, police even had to chase after drones with gunfire, and in one wild scene, locals tried throwing rocks to bring them down. Ukraine says they damaged about 40 Russian aircraft, including those long-range bombers that launch cruise missiles. Russia's Ministry of Defense, meanwhile, claims they shot most of the drones down. No casualties, minimal damage, and no bombers lost. As usual, both sides are sticking to their own stories, and independent sources are struggling to verify the details. What makes this even more dramatic? The timing. The attacks happened just one day before peace talks between Russia and Ukraine were set to resume in Istanbul after a 3-year pause. There were also 2 major bridge explosions in Russia that same weekend, which Moscow called sabotage. So why does this matter? It shows just how far Ukraine's drone program has come, and how the front lines of this conflict now stretch deep into Russia. It's a new kind of warfare, covert, high-tech, and unpredictable. Whether this will shake up the peace talks, or just escalate things further, I'll be watching closely, and so should you. Stick around for more breakdowns on the geopolitics shaping our world.